When choosing between Levoit and Honeywell air purifiers, two of the most popular models often compared are the Levoit Core 300 and the Honeywell HPA 100. Both are compact, HEPA-equipped devices designed for small to medium rooms. Here's a detailed comparison to help you decide which is the better buy. Performance and air cleaning power. In a 194-square-foot room test, the Levoit Core 300 improved air quality by 93%, outperforming the Honeywell HPA 100, which achieved an 89% improvement in the same conditions. Levoit's superior performance is partly due to its higher clean air delivery rate, CADR, of 141 CFM compared to Honeywell's 100 CFM. The Levoit also excels at neutralizing odors, thanks to a more effective carbon filter. While solid, Honeywell's performance lags slightly behind Levoit, especially in larger rooms or when dealing with strong odors. Room coverage. Levoit covers up to 219 square feet, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, and small living rooms. Honeywell covers up to 155 square feet, best for smaller spaces. Filtration system. Levoit Core utilizes a 3-in-1 filtration system: pre-filter, true HEPA, activated carbon. This design captures 99.97% of ultrafine particles and is particularly effective against dust, allergens, and odors. Honeywell uses separate filters: pre-filter, odor-reducing combo, and true HEPA. While effective, its odor control is not as strong as Levoit's. Noise levels. Levoit Core is exceptionally quiet, with noise levels as low as 24 dBA in sleep mode and 40.7 to 64.9 dBA overall. This makes it ideal for bedrooms or nurseries. Honeywell is slightly louder, ranging from 48.2 to 58.5 dBA. Operating costs and maintenance. Levoit Core is more energy efficient, using a 45-watt motor. Monthly electricity costs are lower, and replacement filters are generally more affordable, though they need replacing every 6 to 8 months. Honeywell uses a 50-watt motor, leading to higher energy consumption. Filters last up to a year, but are more expensive. Features. The feature sets of the Levoit Core 300 and Honeywell HPA 100 air purifiers provide a solid foundation for effective air cleaning, but each model offers distinct advantages that may appeal to different users. The Levoit Core 300 stands out with its dedicated sleep mode, which significantly reduces noise and dims the display, making it ideal for bedrooms and nighttime use, a feature not available on the Honeywell HPA 100. In addition, the Levoit Core 300 includes a child lock, providing peace of mind for families by preventing accidental changes to settings from curious children or unintentional touches. Design and usability. Levoit are sleek, compact, and available in black or white. Its cylindrical design allows for 360 degrees air intake and bottom-up filtration. Honeywell's are rectangular, slightly bulkier, but still portable. Air intake is frontal with top-side output. Value for money. Levoit Core 300 offers better performance, quieter operation, more features, and lower running costs. Its only notable drawback is a shorter warranty, 2 years. Honeywell purifiers are more expensive to maintain, but offers a longer 5-year warranty. So who is the winner? Levoit purifiers are the winner for most users. It delivers superior air cleaning, covers larger spaces, operates more quietly, and is more cost-effective to run and maintain. Its user-friendly features like sleep mode and child lock make it especially appealing for bedrooms and family spaces. Choose Honeywell if a longer warranty is a priority, or if you prefer a device with less frequent filter changes. Otherwise, Levoit's balance of performance, efficiency, and value makes it the top pick in this head-to-head.